How do you fix facial asymmetry? Common practices only offer superficial or temporary solutions, failing to address the deeper biomechanical roots of asymmetry. Botox and fillers. Botox and fillers are perhaps the most popular quick-fix solutions for those looking to fix asymmetry. However, they are purely cosmetic and do not address the underlying causes of asymmetry. These procedures only mask the symptoms for a short time, paralyzing muscles or filling out areas, but do not offer lasting effects. The body continues to follow its natural progression toward asymmetry, rendering these methods ineffective in the long term. Surgery. While surgery can offer more durable results than injectables, it still only provides an external fix. Surgical procedures might last for several years, but they don't resolve the root cause of asymmetry. Eventually, the body's asymmetrical tendencies reappear, requiring further operations. Surgery also carries higher risks, significant costs, and long recovery times. Myofacial exercises. On the surface, myofacial exercises seem to offer a more holistic approach, as they work with the muscles themselves. These exercises may improve muscle tone and strength, but they too fail to address the root cause of asymmetry. While they may be effective in improving facial aesthetics temporarily, they don't fix the biomechanical misalignment that causes asymmetry to form in the first place. Why do these practices fail to solve facial asymmetry? All these methods, whether they involve muscle manipulation, skin treatment, or surgical alteration, overlook the core issue. Asymmetry in the body originates from deeper biomechanical imbalances. A symmetrical face requires a harmonious craniomandibular system. When the mandible doesn't support the skull adequately, the skull sinks, causing tension and imbalance. Indeed, it is precisely the jaw, through the molars, that supports the skull. If the teeth are not sufficiently erupted at birth, or if dental work that grinds down the teeth is performed, the skull tends to sink. Holding the skull from sinking improves facial aesthetics and enhances overall facial harmony. By correcting the structural imbalance, the face regains symmetry, and the body's posture improves as well. This holistic approach ensures long-lasting results and prevents the need for continuous cosmetic treatments. The rectifier Starecta works by supporting the skull and restoring its correct position. You can find it on Starecta.com.